All right, happy Tech Tip Tuesday. All right, don't forget, subscribe down below, right? That way you get these videos, you get a ping automatically when we post something new, when you need that new piece of information. We're even gonna start doing some coupons, but don't tell anybody, okay? Some special discounts that we're only gonna put here when you subscribe, all right? So today, topic is value of expertise. Is it really important? Well, I will tell you, and this is, I actually have a confession to make. So when I got into this industry, I came from the engineering world. I'm a degreed engineer, got my engineering degree, did that for about 10 years, then started the loop. And when I started the loop, I thought, oh my gosh, like I'm a degreed engineer with 10 years experience. This audio video stuff's gonna be easy. It was not. I was blown away how much complexity is in this industry. When I started, we did very, very small things. Basically just wiring. We did some music, hooking up surround receivers, hanging TVs, very, very fundamental stuff. Then as my knowledge expanded, as my team expanded, as I got more expertise on board, then we started expanding into home automation, smart home technology, automated lighting, video walls, video distribution, 4K distribution, all these other things. And what we did was we always made sure that our education was always ahead of what we were installing. Because the thing you want to remember is that when a company comes in to put your stuff in, do you really want them to be learning how to do it on your home? I would argue that you probably don't. I would argue that you expect the people that are coming into your home, that you're paying anywhere from $100 to $300 per hour, that you're paying for expertise. You're paying for people that know how to solve those problems. Okay? So, the back side of this, of expertise, because our industry is not regulated, make sure you ask the questions, okay? So when you're looking at finding a systems integrator, or what's sometimes called a technologist, when you're looking for that person, okay, make sure that you're interviewing them. Make sure you're understanding where their area of focus is. For example, for the loop, we really don't do projects over about $150,000 to $200,000. When they get over 200,000, there's just too many moving parts, and they're just too long of a cycle. We tend to like projects that we can wrap up in about a year to a year and a half. That's really where we start to top out. If a project is $250,000, $300,000, we will actually refer that to another shop in town. It's just not something that we're really equipped to carry that long. On the other end, we don't do small projects. We have people call us saying, I need a TV hang, I need a universal remote, unless it's a referral or it's an existing client that just needs something in one of their vacation homes, we're not going to go there. Okay, our normal projects are in the 25 to 100,000 range. That's where we really operate well. So when you're looking for that technologist, when you're looking for that systems integrator, make sure and interview them and make sure that their skill set matches up with what you're trying to accomplish, right? If you're looking for automated lighting and automated shading, and they're a brand new shading installer, and they don't have any samples of automated lighting projects, they're probably not going to be the right fit for your project, okay? Probably a better fit to find another shop that has experience there so that they're not learning on your home, okay? So again, value of expertise, make sure you're finding someone that pairs well with what you're trying to accomplish, okay? Have that communication. Ask them the questions. There's nothing wrong with that. Ask them the questions. Ask for photos of past work. Ask for a couple previous clients, okay? All right, that's your tech tip for today. Have a great Tuesday. Don't forget to subscribe below. Thanks, guys.